High above in the open skies and hidden below in the grass and trees, a silent, high-stakes battle for survival rages every day. This is the hidden world of aerial masters and ambush predators, a realm where birds rule the winds and serpents command the shadows. Secrets of the Sky pulls back the curtain on this dramatic conflict, revealing the astonishing hunting tactics, specialized adaptations, and evolutionary arms race. Ibises belong to the Thresciornithidae family, which also includes spoonbills. Ibises are omnivorous, feeding on insects, crustaceans, small fish, frogs, and sometimes plants. Ibises are social birds, often living and nesting in large colonies. Ibises are migratory birds, traveling long distances between breeding and feeding grounds. Owls live almost everywhere, in forests, deserts, mountains, and even cities around the world. Owls are carnivores, feeding mainly on mice, rats, insects, frogs, and small birds. Owls have large, forward-facing eyes that give them excellent depth perception. Owls have super-sensitive hearing, allowing them to locate prey hidden under leaves, snow, or soil. Parrots belong to the Psitticidae family. Parrots are known for their bright feathers, strong curved beaks, and zygodactyl feet, 2 toes forward, 2 backward. Parrots are omnivores, eating fruits, seeds, nuts, buds, and sometimes insects. Parrots are among the smartest birds on Earth. Shoebills are tall, gray-blue birds with long legs, broad wings, and striking yellow eyes. Shoebills live in tropical East Africa, mainly in South Sudan, Uganda, Tanzania, and Zambia. Shoebills are carnivorous. They eat fish, frogs, water snakes, baby crocodiles, and even small turtles. Secretary bird is a large, long-legged bird of prey found mainly in sub-Saharan Africa. Secretary birds prefer open grasslands and savannas, where they can easily spot prey on the ground. Secretary birds are carnivores, mainly eating snakes, lizards, rodents, insects, and small mammals. Spoonbills are wading birds, meaning they live and feed in shallow wetlands, marshes, and lakes. Spoonbills live on every continent except Antarctica. Spoonbills feed by swinging their bills side to side through shallow water. Spoonbills are large, elegant birds, standing up to 1 meter, 3 feet tall. Flamingos belong to the Phaenicopteratae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white. Ostriches are flightless birds, but they make up for it with their incredible speed and size. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, standing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters tall. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Ostriches are omnivores. Toucans belong to the Rhamphastidae family. Toucans are known for their large, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans are medium-sized birds, about 18 to 24 inches, 45 to 60 centimeters long depending on the species. Toucans live in rainforests, usually high up in the tree canopies. Eagles are birds of prey, raptors, strong hunters with sharp eyesight and talons. Eagles have incredible vision, up to 8 times sharper than human eyesight. Eagles can see ultraviolet light, helping them detect traces and movements of prey. Eagles have strong, hooked beaks to tear meat easily. To the viper's lightning-fast strike, we will decode the language of the hunt written in talon, fang, and scale. We will explore how a hawk's extraordinary vision allows it to spot a mouse from 1,000 feet away, and how a snake's specialized heat-sensing pits can detect the faint warmth of a sleeping bird.